नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं यहाँ हूँ और आज हम मोबाइल प्रौद्योगिकी की दुनिया में गहराई से गोता लगा रहे हैं, विशेष रूप से 4G से 5G तक का विकास। ये एक ऐसा विषय है जो हर जगह चर्चा में है और इसका कारण भी अच्छा है। अब आपने सुना होगा कि 5G बस तेज इंटरनेट है, लेकिन यह उससे कहीं अधिक है। इस वीडियो में हम 4G और 5G के बीच तकनीकी अंतर को समझेंगे और जानेंगे कि ये अगली पीढ़ी की तकनीक आखिर कैसे काम करती है। So, let's talk speed. I mean, that's what we're all here for, right? 4G के साथ हमने कुछ बहुत प्रभावशाली डाउनलोड और अपलोड गति देखी, लेकिन 5G, इट्स ऑन अ होल अदर लेवल। सोचो, कुछ सेकंड में एक पूरी फिल्म डाउनलोड करना, हम इसी तरह की क्षमता के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। लेकिन यह सिर्फ गति की बात नहीं है। 5G बहुत तेज प्रतिक्रिया समय का भी वादा करता है, which brings us to our next point. लेटेंसी, मेरे मित्रों, यह वह समय है जो आपके डिवाइस को नेटवर्क के साथ संचार करने में लगता है। 4G की दुनिया में दैट लैग, दो ऑफ्टन अननोटिसेबल, एग्जिस्ट्स। 5G का एम है प्रैक्टिकली एलिमिनेट दैट डिले। Imagine a world of real-time gaming without lag, instant video calls with crystal clear audio, और एक ऐसा future जहां self-driving cars can communicate with each other flawlessly. That's the power of low latency. Now think about all the devices we use every day: smartphones, laptops, tablets, and even smart home gadgets. 4G networks, while robust, have a limit on how many devices they can handle simultaneously in a given area. 5G significantly expands that capacity, meaning more devices can connect without sacrificing speed or performance. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है as we move towards a future where everything is connected. Here's where things get a bit technical. You see, both 4G and 5G use radio waves to transmit data, but they operate on different frequency spectrums. 4G typically uses frequencies below 6 GHz, which are great for covering large areas. 5G, however, utilizes both lower frequencies similar to 4G and higher frequencies, often called millimeter waves. At its core, 4G is based on LTE technology, which has served us well. 5G, however, introduces a whole new architecture. It's built on a foundation called 5G New Radio, NR, which we'll delve deeper into in a bit. यह नई technology 5G को allow करती है handle more data, connect more devices, and deliver those blazing fast speeds we talked about. Remember 5G NR? Well, it's essentially the language that 5G networks use to communicate. It's designed to be much more efficient and flexible than previous generations, enabling faster data rates, lower latency, and improved spectral efficiency. सोचो कि ये डायल अप मॉडेम से फाइबर ऑप्टिक इंटरनेट तक अपग्रेड करने जैसा है. That's the kind of leap we're talking about. 5G introduces some cool new technologies like massive MIMO, which stands for multiple input, multiple output, and beamforming. Imagine a network tower with multiple antennas that can focus the signal directly to your device, like a spotlight. इसका मतलब है faster speeds, fewer signal drops, and overall better network performance. Network slicing is like dividing a single network into multiple virtual networks. इससे operators को allow होता है allocate specific resources to different types of applications. For example, a slice for high-speed video streaming, another for low-latency gaming, and yet another for critical IoT devices. It's all about optimizing the network for specific needs. With 5G, data processing can happen closer to the user at the edge of the network. इसका मतलब है faster response times for applications that require real-time interaction, like augmented reality or self-driving cars. सोचो कि आपके पास एक mini data center है, reducing the need to send data back and forth to a central server. The core network is like the brain of the entire system. With 5G, we're seeing significant improvements, making it more efficient, scalable, and reliable. This includes technologies like network function virtualization, or NFV, and software-defined networking, known as SDN, which allow for greater flexibility and automation. EMBB is one of the key features of 5G. focusing on enhancing our everyday mobile broadband experience. It's all about faster speeds, higher capacity, and lower latency for activities like streaming, downloading, and browsing. Basically everything we do on our phones today, but better and faster. URLLC is where 5G's potential for mission-critical applications shines. Imagine remote surgery, industrial automation, or traffic control systems that demand absolute reliability and minimal delay. URLLC ensures that data transmission is ultra-reliable and happens in near real-time, crucial for these sensitive applications. The Internet of Things, IoT, is exploding with billions of devices coming online. MMTC enables 5G networks to handle this massive influx of connected devices, from smart sensors to industrial equipment. It allows for efficient communication between machines, enabling a truly interconnected world. So we've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the speed and latency differences to exploring the underlying technologies that make 5G so revolutionary. It's clear that 5G is more than just a simple upgrade, it's a complete transformation of how we connect and interact with the world around us. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ your thoughts. What excites you most about 5G, and what applications do you see it enabling in the future? Much batao in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech deep dives.